shit for. Oh yeah, it's definitely.
Welcome to Black Friday. You wanted to come. That's your
Holy crap! Oh, goodness, tomorrow, after Kim's done, I'm gonna bring all those big stuff, all those boxes. of
Oh,
stuff.
she's here.
Yeah. Hey, we're back.
Try some new stickers.
And what's this?
It's all big stuff.
I was waiting for this to happen. What's going on, Mikey? I was like, he's gonna scare him.
You got the wrong guy.
I always know.
Yeah.
I always know what to expect.
Yeah, he does get me.
No.
It's easy to get him. Yeah, sure. Don't give him any fire.
Absolutely, man. Yeah. Did you skip me?
No?
Oh, you missed it on the barbecue. It was going off. People were getting carried. Everyone was walking and shopping and stuff. Well, no one cared.
Yeah.
Just live your life.
It's dead at the other end.
Yeah? You want a treat or something?
No.
We got a bunch of good stuff.
Yeah, in the backpack. In the back. Yeah. We'll all just go in the backpack.
Hey, David.
One, two? Or you mean?
Hey, David.
All the heavy stuff, right?
Yeah, heavy stuff because otherwise it'll bang this around and back into my knee.
You don't want that.
No.
You don't need that, eh?
No,
David.
I tried it once where we
David, we
Yeah.
got a bunch of good stuff.
Oh yeah, we did. Good. Oh yeah. We loaded out.
That's fun once in a while.
Oh yeah. We're gonna give you a little taste of what we got. And then that just goes in here. Bring up a bill and send it on my way. Money for it.
More head challenge.
Yep.
And he'll tell us how much.
Yep. You know, he's gonna
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cancel it. So it's 200. So I took the discounts all off. So 227.40. And then all the pricing will be on there.
perfect.
Awesome, man. And then whenever you have time, just whenever you got time, man. Yeah, no worries.
Oh yeah, we'll see
And
you.
I appreciate it, man. You know,
Oh, you know our business is always the best.
I always appreciate it, man.
Yep.
Now we're gonna go look around.
Get working.
And she even said to the company, they go
Look
through
who's
almost
here,
free.
guys. They're back.
And they said that we almost went through like 3 SIM cards that all were not working proper. So they got it up and running.
Yeah, if you guys have a problem, just go to mobile clinic. This is the
Oh, you know. No, it was a problem that SIM card,
Look at the
when we first got it with the phone when we got it delivered. They didn't activate the SIM card. So that was the problem.
that would have been an easy fix.
Yeah, I know, but they didn't do it. Every time we went in there, they're, oh yeah, you're just going, they didn't even explain nothing. So the lady we finally got, after I complained enough about it, she called the company, she told them what was going on. They turned around and said, okay, we'll help. She's like, okay, we'll just do it here. So I said, we couldn't do it at home because we didn't know what to do.
Yeah.
And then she's like, oh, that makes it hard. I said, yeah. So she went and got it all fixed. So now she's up and running full.
At least now it's working.
Yeah.
So now you can go back to your vlogging.
Yeah?
Watch your videos all the time.
Oh, yeah.
I even recommend it to my clients. I work at the
Hey.
we actually work at the rehab floor.
Yeah.
So one of our clients,
Yeah.
she's just on her laptop, so
Oh,
I
yeah.
showed her your
Oh, yeah.
so told her like, see,
Yeah. I do a little bit of YouTubing. Like, I do all the large meat online. Like, I show how
what's
you
your
can... Cooking
So
with
this
David.
is just plushies.
Yeah, all mine's for it.
So here's a haul of snacks.
Arby's
sauce.
Chick-fil-A barbecue.
Mm-hmm. Excuse the mess.
Sorry. Oh, I got some Mountain Dew Zero Sugar. That's cool. I'll try that.
Yeah, he put it in there.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, he did.
Oh, Zero Sugar, another one?
Yeah, he put some in there.
Actually, I think I grabbed them. Yeah, I think I did. New York 2023.
Woo!
Wendy's Chili.
Yep, I love my Wendy's chili.
Blueberry Minute Maid Raspberry.
Yep.
Smucker's Goober.
Woohoo!
Grape and peanut
So
butter.
it's like peanut butter.
Peanut butter and grape jelly strips.
Mm.
So you mix it together as you spread. 7-Up Cherry.
I didn't like 7-Up cherry.
Warhead Green Apple Soda. Wendy's Chili.
Woohoo!
Bag 1 terminated.
Terminated.
Which means gone. Empty. Bag 2. A box of Boston cream.
Boston cream donut.
Yep.
Donut Pop Tarts. Warhead cubes.
Sour Challenge. Velvet cookies.
I won't eat those. David will.
Hot cocoa
Oh,
cookies. 2 Elf sugar cookie.
Pancake mixes.
We will tell you the total after. And some of you might.
Woohoo!
We got 3 bags of that.
Yummy.
And here's 2
Yummy.
more. Warhead cubes.
Ooh.
Warhead.
Yeah.
Galactic cubes.
Woohoo.
Cosmic Punch. And Rocket Raspberry. More. Chips Ahoy.
I can't have that.
Oh, they're good. More. And last but not least,
Hot cocoa.
now, to tell you our grand whopping total for the day of Black Friday sale, $225.
Woohoo!
All in just this.
Yay!
And that is it.
Well, I'm gonna end off the vlog here. Bye, guys. See you in the next video.